how to insert the doors and windows by using ArchiCAD. So to do that, let us go to the floor plan, what we have already, which we have created. So in this, I want to insert the doors and windows. So first, let us go for the doors here. The first door, I want 4 feet by 7 feet. So to do that, I will just go for the door and come down to the door settings. Okay. First, let us go for the hinged doors. Okay. In this, we will going to take a doors with side light on side 1. Okay. One is on the right side, and it will be like this on 2 if you are continuing. One door with side 1 only with transform means it is on the top also you will go to have an opening. So we have only, let us take only this type of door. So here I want to take the position as 4 feet by 6 feet. Okay, 4 feet by 7 feet. So here you have 4 feet by uh, 4, 4 feet 11 inches by 6 feet 10 inches. Almost it is 7 feet. And we can also do the editing is also it is possible. Okay. So now first I want to change the dimensions for this. So to do that, I will just go for, I will take this is 4 feet. Okay. And this is 7 feet. Okay. And then come down to hinge door settings. Let us not change anything here. If you want, you can go to this no grid and you can take the different types of styles you have. Like we have style 1 to style 10. So we have these type of different types of patterns you have. So whichever you want, you can select. Say for that, let us go for the one which we don't have the full transparent. See, because that is not the one which we are looking at. So we are going to take, let us take style 9. Okay. And now we have this style 9 and then go to the preview position. And in this, you have this particular portion. Then we come down to hinged point, the door leaf on this style 9. Then if you want to have the side hung, okay, let us see. Then you come down to floor plan and section. We don't want to change anything here. We're going to take up as it is for the time being. Then we'll just click on OK. So then you click on this portion. So now I want to take it on inside. Okay. Then click on this. I want to take it on this side. Okay. Then we'll see how it will go to be placed in 3 dimensions. Now you can see here, this is the how it will going to look. So there is the pattern in which, because otherwise you will not be having, so there is no handle here. So I want to change the handle now. So to do that, I will just close this, come down to ground floor. Again, I will click on this portion. Okay. Select this one. Sorry. You go to quick selection. Okay. Now I click on this. We have the seal height 4 feet by 7 feet. Then I want to go for option here. Go to hinged settings. Then in this, I want to go for style. Then opening type is side hung, like this opening. Then handle, since it is none, we don't get anything. So I will going to go for different types. Knob, handle. Let us go for handle 6. Okay, with the lock. I'll just click on this and I will say okay. Now if you go to see and 3D, now you can see that lock has been appearing here. Okay. So this is how you can be able to set the door for the floor plan. Now this is the first one. Now we want to go for the second one. Here I want the door to be of 3 feet 7 inches. I mean 3 feet by 7 feet. That is D1. So to do that, again I will go for door. Then you click on this. Okay. Let us not go for this side window. Instead, we will go for door with a simple door, wherein we will not have this one. Let us take a style 9 again. Okay, then I want to take up the handle, which is handle 6. To take this handle 6, then come down to the dimension of this. So what is the dimension you want? I want the dimension to be placed here as here 3 feet by 7 feet. So let us take this is 3 feet by 7 feet. Take this as 7 feet. Okay. Click on OK. Then come down to this. Where exactly you want to place? I want to place this window here, door here. Okay. Click on this. I want to take it on this side. You just click it on this side. Similarly, I want to place this door on here. Okay. Come down to this and you keep it onto this side. Okay. And you click it on this side. So we have the two doors which we have been placed. Now we will let us see how it will going to look in 3 dimension. So we have the placed these two here. And now you can see the window doors what you have considered. One is on this side and the other one is we are opening from this side. Okay, the handle is here so that we can open it and like this. So you are opening it on this side. So it will be like this. Okay. The next part is again I'll go for ground floor in the plan. Now we want to go for the second door, that is 2 feet by 2.5 feet by 7 inches. I mean 7 feet. So to do that, again that D2 will be on this side and this one and this one. Okay. So we have 3 doors of 2 feet and 2 feet, 2.5 feet. So to do that, I will just go for door. Again, you click on this. So let us have 2.5 feet, 2 feet by 6 inches on this side. And you'll keep all other things as they come down to this here on the hinged option. Click on this tile line, handle is 6. Okay, fine. And now I will place that here. So the placement is on this side D2. So let us take on this side. You keep it. Let us click on this side. Then I want to keep the another door here, which is D2. So I will take it on this side. Click on this side. Okay. Then similarly, let us have the door on this side and you keep it on the other side like this. Click. Okay. So this is how we can place all the doors in our section. So if you go to the 3 dimension, so we can place. So we have all these, the doors have been placed. The total doors have been placed. Okay. So this is about how to place the doors in our floor plan in ArchiCAD. So the question is, now can I able to move it out? See, I want to change the directions. Like I want to specify the distance. So let us take on this side. Okay. Suppose if I want to change the dimension from here to here. So I want to give this dimension. Let us you take it out and you keep it here. So I will just click here. Now I want to give the dimension from here to here. I want to keep it as 9 inches from this one. Or if you want, I can give 4.5 inches in from this. But normally we will give more. So for the main door, we will not going to keep exactly at the final stage. Let us do that also. I will give for 4.5 inches. So if you do that, then you can see the dimension. If you apply the annotation for this, you take on this side. Okay, click on this side and click on this. Then you double click outside and keep it here. So you have 4.5 inches. Okay, from the side. So if you do that, now if you just go to 3D and if you see here, the door has been placed very near to that particular wall, like this. Okay. So this is how you will be able to place the door or move the door from one location to the other location. Similarly, I want to place this. Okay. So if I want to change this dimension, yes, you are at the liberty to change. So how to do that? Again, I will just click on this. So I want to increase the dimension. So let us say I want to take it from this point and I will keep it here. Okay. Then I want to make this as 1 feet. Okay. Take 1 feet. So let us have this point. Okay. Similarly, I want to place it onto this side. Okay. Now this you delete this because this is only the dimension what I have given. Then similarly, you come down to this, click on this side. Okay. Go to quick settings. You just click on this. So where is the dimension you want? I want the dimension from here to here now. You just take this dimension till here. Okay. Now you change this dimension to 4.5 inches. Okay. Similarly, I want to keep it on this side. Go to selection of this. Okay. And here you keep this dimension from here to here now. Okay. Give the dimension as 4.5 inches. Okay. Yes. Similarly on this side. So you just go to quick settings and you just click on this. Sorry. You just go to quick dimension. Now you want to take this dimension from here to here. Okay. Then you change this dimension to 4.5 inches. Okay. So similarly, I want to keep it under this. Go to selection. Go to selection of this. Okay. Then you give 4.5 inches. Okay. And similarly on this side. Okay. Go to selection. Select on this. Go to selection. Okay. Then give the dimension of this. Okay. You take this dimension from this point. Let us take to this. Okay. Yes. Now you give the dimension from here to here. It is 4.5 inches. Okay. So now we have placed all the doors on my doors, and also we have placed at a particular location exactly from the wall what should be the dimension of the, what should be the position of the doors from the reference of walls. So once you do that, now you can see this is how all these things have been placed in the final position of my three-dimensional 3D view of my floor plan after placing doors. Similarly, let us go to the windows now. The first thing is we will go for the window. So go to windows here, then come down to the selection. So in this window, you have the basic window. We have these are the different basic windows you have. Okay. In this basic window, which one you want? I want variable sash windows, or you can have a triple window with side transforms. So triple window with side transform means you have triple with side transform. That is these two. Or if you want triple window with middle transform, that is with the middle transform here, like variable window or windows like this. So we have the different options. You just suppose if you take this and you come down to the basic window here, we don't have anything else here. I want to go for a preview. So here, let us take window with side light. Or you have bay window, empty window, sliding windows, let us say. We will going to take for the sliding windows. In this sliding window, we have two sash sliding, three sash sliding. So normally we go for three sash sliding. See, one, because whenever you want, you have a grill in that so that you will be able to utilize that. So here, the moment when you go for this, the width is 7 feet. and the requirement is 4 feet. Okay. So now I want to change this. To change this, I will go for what is the width of the window we want? We want the window to be 4 feet by 4 feet. Let us go for the first one. I will take 4 feet by 4 feet. Okay. So here also I will go to make it 4 feet and I will just click on OK now. The moment when you do that, you can place the window wherever you want in this case. So let us have on this case here on this side. So I will keep it on this side. Okay. And let us take on this. Go to 3D and see how it will going to look. So here you can see my window has been placed at this particular position or at this location. Okay. Now the position is here we have placed this. Again, I want to move this. So you just click on this axis. So you just click and give the particular dimension whatever you want. So let us have the dimension from here to here, or you just click on this and make it 1 feet. Okay, approximately equal. So go to 3D and now you can see that height is being considered. Similarly, I want to go for the ground floor. Once you go for this, again you go for this window. That is 4 feet by 4 feet. Again, I want to place that the same window here. Go to window, take 4 feet by 4 feet, and I will click on this side now. So here the approximate position of this, or yes, I will just click on this and keep it here. Okay, on this side. So now if you want to select and if you try to give the dimension of this, okay, select on this, keep it here. Yes, give the dimension from this point to this point, like what we have done for this. Yes, I will make this point to be, I will take around 4 feet. Okay. Then from here to here, I will take, go to dimension, annotate, select from this point. Okay, and to this point. Double click on this. So we will have 4 feet. Okay. So once you do that, so now here on this side, if you take position from here, okay, from this point to this point, double click, you will get 3 feet. So I want to change it to 6 inch, 3 feet by 6 inches. So I will just go to this. Okay. Sorry, I will go to selection of this and you click on this window. Okay. Sorry. Go to selection. Okay. I want to take just 5 feet 3 inches. I will make 5 feet 3 inches so that you're going to have 3.5 and 3.5. Okay. So this is how I can be able to edit. Okay. So now we have one more window which has been placed at this particular position. Now we'll go to the, again, we'll go for the ground floor. Then again, you just delete this because these are the dimensions which I have given. Now, the next position is, I want to take this window is over. I want to take for W1. How much it is? 3 feet by 4 feet. Again, I will go for the same window. Okay. I will take 3 feet. What is the dimension? 3 feet by 4 feet. The width is 3 feet. Now, you just go for 3 feet and say enter. Then you come down to this. You place it, keep it here. Okay. Wherever you want, you keep it on this side. Okay. And let us have it on this side. Then we will take the position of this now. You just go to selection on this side. Okay. Okay. Now I want to place the position of this, and you take this point and you drag this and you place it here. Similarly, I want to take this point and I want to place at this line. Okay. So here approximately I want to place it at the center. I will just go to this. I will say 6 feet. See what happens. Now 6 feet 9 inches. So now I will go for this dimension. Go to linear dimension. Sorry. Go to annotate. Select this one. Okay. Similarly, I will select this one. Double click on this. Let us have 6 feet. Similarly, on this side, take this position. Now we have 7 feet. So I want to change by another 6 inches to be exact. Okay. So I'll just go for selection and you just click on this side. Okay. I want to select 6 feet 9 inches to 7 feet 3 inches. Go for 7 feet 3 inches. Now you can see both will have 6.5. Okay. So once you do that, now you just selection, go to select this one and you delete. And similarly, you delete this one. So we have the one more window has been placed here now. Yeah, you come down to this. So now you can see this is the window what I have selected, 3 feet by 4 feet. Okay. Now the next thing is go to ground floor. So here, what exactly we have taken? We have taken for the door, okay, with the 3 each sliding windows. Okay. So 3 slash sliding windows. If you want to change this, you can always go for this 3 slash sliding window, 3 feet by 4 feet. Okay. Now, the next thing is I want to place the same type of window. Okay. So where exactly I want to place for that, you have here in the floor plan, W1 is here and also W1 is here. So I want to place one more window there. So I will just go to this and you place this here on this side. Okay. Take approximate center and you just click it on this side. Now let us go for the position. I will click on this and you take this position here. Sorry. I'll just click on this and you take this position and you keep it here. And similarly, you take this position and you keep it here. So both are at 1 feet 6 9 inches. So automatically you take 1 feet 6 inches. Okay. Approximate center now. You can see here 1.5. Similarly, on this side, you take this and you keep it 1 feet 6 inches. Okay. So this is how we can place the 2 windows here. Now, if you go to 3D, you can see you will get one more window here, which is on this side. Okay. Where is that? You will place it, go to 3D. Now you come down to this. Okay. So this is the one which I have placed. Now, the next thing is I want to go for 2 more windows. That is W1 is here and W1 is over. Now we want to go for the ventilation. That is V and V. Let us go for that. So to do that, I will go for window. So come down to this. So now I will go for basic window. So I will go for this window. Okay. Now I want to make it 2 feet by 1 inch. 2 feet by 1 feet. I will go for 2 feet and I will going to take for 1 feet. Okay. Then I will just click on OK. Selection on this side of my window. One is on this side. Okay. Then similarly, I will click on this side. Similarly, I want to place it here. Again, I will click on this side. So we have 2 places wherein I have placed this window. So I want to see where exactly this is going to be placed. So here you can see here, this is the window what I have placed it. Now, if you see here, this is the window what we are talking about. Okay. So, but this window is placed at the sill level. Sill level is from here, what should be the height? I will just go for the ground floor. Then I will just click on this. Okay. Then give the height. What is the silt story from here? That is 3 feet. Let us take 6 feet. Okay. And I'll click on OK. Now once you do that, now you go for 3D. So now it has been placed at this particular point. Similarly, I want the other one to be placed now. So to do that, see, I have placed this window, correct? Yeah. So this is at the one which you have at the, yes, I want to take this position and we'll go for the top line. Okay. So we have it on this side. Let us see this one. Okay, I want to take this. So let us have a property. Pick up parameters. I'll just click on this parameter and I want to place that parameter here also. Okay, you just click on this. See what happens. The moment when you do that, so automatically, and this is also get highlighted and it placed at exactly at this point. So that means the parameters which are set for the one particular one, if you want to duplicate the same thing to the other one, you can always go for this so that the parameters will going to be automatically, it will going to update. So this is how you can use the pick parameters. One of the important uh, command, which one of the important features in our in ArchiCAD. So this is the sill height. See, sill height is basically from the base of this window to the floor. What is the height? So that height is the one which we are trying to specify. So now all these heights are being placed at the same level so that whenever if you want to make an opening in for the construction of the wall, and if you want to have the windows and doors to be placed, all heights are being placed at a particular level, which is from the floor or from the ground. You will want to have the same level. So that is the advantage. So this is how you will be able to place the doors and windows. So we have this ventilation here also. That's yeah. So this is how we are going to place both the doors and windows in the ArchiCAD. So I will finally, you just go through this and I will take this. So now I want to rotate this particular one and see these are the different these are the different windows and doors which have been placed of different sizes in our floor plan by using in ArchiCAD. Thank you.